What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing analysis on VERU ticker symbol.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this company. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. And before we get into all of that, if you guys would like to earn 2 free stocks with Moomoo valued up to $7,000, please check out that link in the description below. All you have to do is sign up for an account and deposit as little as $1. This is guaranteed free money. Full details you can see on the screen right now. So let's start with the price chart. As you can see, this asset was in downtrend basically for 1 year and it lost about 82% of its value. But during last session it gained, let me show it to you, more than 236% from its lowest point to the highest one. And definitely this movement to the upside, as you can see, it has the highest volume ever on the 4 hours time frame. And this might be the game changer for this company because this volume shows the huge interest to this asset from investors. And definitely we might see some trend continuation and we will see huge volatility in upcoming sessions. That's why we have to be cautious. So let's continue with the fundamental news and let me show you that we are in red and all of the markets are in red. S&P 500 lost about 1.69%, Dow Jones lost about 1.19% and Nasdaq lost about 2.18%. Russell 2000 also lost about 0.71%. And definitely on the red market, it is not so usual to see more than 180% of potential profits with a long position. And what is this company about? Let's start with the company profile. Veru Inc, an oncology biopharmaceutical company, focuses on developing medicines for the management of cancers. And for now, this company has a total market cap, let me show it to you, of $348.22 million, and this total market cap was before its huge spike in price. They have a total debt of $14.21 million, and their cash position is $116.1 million. So, I don't want to dive deep into their financials. This information is more than enough to give you a sneak peek on this company. And let me show you what was the reason of its recent surge in price. We are on Motley Fool and this article was published on April 11th and it's titled "Why Veru Stock Skyrocketed Today." And let me quote you this. Shares of Veru soared 182% on Monday after the biopharmaceutical company announced promising clinical study results for sabizabulin, its oral drug candidate for COVID-19. An interim analysis of a phase 3 clinical trial showed that sabizabulin reduced the risk of death in hospitalized patients by 55%. These people had moderate to severe COVID-19 and were at high risk of acute respiratory distress syndrome (ARDS), an often fatal condition in which fluid leaks into the lungs and prevents oxygen from getting to vital organs. Better still, the drug was well tolerated by the roughly 210 patients in the study, with no clinical relevant safety events compared to placebo. And in the press release, Veru CEO Mitchell Steiner said, "This study represents a significant milestone in the global fight against COVID-19, as sabizabulin is the first drug to demonstrate a clinically and statistically meaningful reduction in deaths in hospitalized patients with moderate to severe COVID-19. And for now, Veru intends to apply for emergency use authorization and I have to say that it is not the quickest process. And let me quote you what Mr. Barnett said. Pending upcoming discussion with FDA, this treatment option may be made available soon, so we can be ready for when the next clinically important wave of COVID infections comes. And let me show you how often we have these waves. We are on worldmatters.info and we have different statistics. For now we are in the coronavirus statistic and we are in United States daily cases chart. And as you can see right here, we had first significant wave of COVID-19 and it happened in mid-July 2020. Next one was in December, basically in the end of 2020. Next significant wave was again mid-summer 2021, and the next significant was the Omicron variant on January 15th. So as you can see, we have these spikes twice a year, once in 6 months. This means we might have a 6 months period until next massive wave, and this means the approval might be only in a matter of several months, and that's why we have to be very cautious. So, and let me show you their official website. Right here you can see this press release that is really amazing, I have to say. And because of this, we have huge support from retail communities. We have VERU ticker symbol on the first place in the most active section on the Stock Tweets website. On the watchers section, we also have this ticker symbol on the first place. And on trending section, we also have this ticker symbol on the first place. So, huge support from retail community, from retail stock tweets community. And let me show you that on apewisdom.io we have VERU ticker symbol on the 43rd place, but it has a huge increase in mentions, and this website is a little bit lagging. That's why we might see an increase in the position of VERU, in my opinion, in top 5 list. And that's why next session might be very volatile for this asset, because more and more people just saw this huge movement to the upside, and definitely they might enter their long position with this asset. But let's continue with the technical analysis, and before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you that if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this top to this lowest point, and we have basically double bottom pattern, we hit to the tick the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. And these two levels, 0.5 and 0.618, 0.65, are the most probable levels of trend reversal. And from this range, as you can see, we have a first reaction, and second reaction might be from the golden pocket range. And this means in upcoming session we might have this upside potential. From our current price to this range, we might have about 21% of potential profits. So let me show you indicators. On RSI, we are on the 4 hours time frame. We are on extremely high territory. We are extremely overbought, and this means it has to have some kind of relief. 2 hours time frame, the same. Hourly time frame, the same. 30 minutes time frame, the same. And on top of that, we are forming some kind of bearish divergence, because if we won't exceed with this next leg to the upside, if we won't exceed this level, and we will go lower, but the price will hit higher targets, and probably it will be the golden pocket range. Definitely it will be the confirmation of bearish divergence, because we will have lower highs on RSI with the higher highs on the price action, and this will give more chances to hit lower targets, and that's why we have to be cautious. So what should you do if you want to enter the position? In my opinion, if you don't know what is this company about, and what is the main point of their study, and how it will affect the potential COVID-19 outbreak, I highly recommend you not to enter your investment position, especially in these high ranges, because it surged up for more than 200% to its current range, and definitely it is not the best point to invest into this asset for the long period of time. But if you want to catch the trade, I have to say that we have decent possibility to hit at least golden pocket, and as I already mentioned, it is about 20% of potential profits. I have to say it is not the highest probability of this movement, and on top of that, if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, as you can see, we had a very shallow retracement. Let me show you more thoroughly. We had a very shallow retracement of 0.236, and we barely broke it to the downside, but didn't hit the 0.382 range. This means we might have from this double top pattern movement to the downside to unload the indicators, to collect more steam, and somewhere at the lower points we might have a trend reversal, and from these ranges we might have next leg to the upside that will hit the golden pocket range. So what should you do if you want to enter the position? In my opinion, this point is very risky to enter any of your long positions, but if we will go lower, and if the momentum will remain the same, Definitely ranges from 10.59 through 9.4 all the way down to about $8 price point might be your accumulation point if you believe that this momentum will continue. Otherwise, just stay aside from this trade because it is extremely risky right now. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gone live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad.